If you found yourself drifting back toward vinyl lately, or you're staring at a super basic turntable and thinking it's time for an upgrade, I've got some genuinely good news for you. Sony is officially stepping back into the turntable game, and these are their first new models since 2019. That alone makes this pretty exciting, especially if you like the idea of modern features paired with classic record-playing vibes. Sony is launching two models, the PS-LX3BT and the more premium PS-LX5BT. And right away, you can tell they're going for a clean, no-nonsense approach. Both turntables come in a sleek, minimalist, rectangular black design with a one-piece chassis that looks right at home in a modern living room or a dedicated listening space. They're topped off with a transparent, removable dust cover, so your setup stays protected without hiding the turntable itself. It's simple, understated, and very Sony. One of the nicest touches here is how easy Sony has made playback. With a fully automated system, all you have to do is press a button, and the turntable takes care of the rest. The platter starts spinning, the tone arm moves into position, and it gently lowers onto the record for you. If you're new to vinyl or just want a stress-free listening experience, this is the kind of feature you'll appreciate every single time you play a record. Both models support the two speeds most people actually need, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, so you're covered for standard albums and singles. Where things really get interesting, though, is connectivity. These turntables give you both wired and wireless options, which is perfect if your setup mixes old-school audio gear with newer tech. Over Bluetooth, you're getting high-resolution wireless audio support at up to 96 kHz/24-bit, along with codecs like aptX, aptX Adaptive, and high-res wireless audio. In plain terms, that means cleaner, more detailed sound when you're listening through compatible wireless speakers or headphones. If you prefer going the traditional route with cables, Sony has you covered there too. You can use RCA connections with either phono or line output, making it easy to hook these turntables up to a wide range of hi-fi amps and speakers. Sony even lets you adjust the gain across 3 levels, which is a nice bonus for fine-tuning your sound depending on your setup. There are a few key differences between the two models that help justify the price gap. The more affordable PS-LX3BT comes with integrated cables, which keeps things tidy and beginner-friendly. The higher-end PS-LX5BT steps things up with gold-plated audio jacks and detachable cables, which audio enthusiasts will definitely appreciate. Both models use a modern Type-C power input, and there's also a USB-B output that lets you connect the turntable directly to your computer. That means you can rip your vinyl records and digitally preserve them, which is a fantastic option if you want the warmth of vinyl, but the convenience of digital files. When it comes to the cartridges, Sony has clearly put some thought into performance. The PS-LX3BT uses a moving magnet cartridge with a stylus pressure of 3.5 grams, which is solid and reliable for everyday listening. The PS-LX5BT goes a step further with a higher precision cartridge and a lighter stylus pressure of 2 grams, which should translate to more accurate tracking and potentially better sound quality. Both turntables are belt-driven and feature aluminum die-cast alloy platters, which are more stable than the plastic platters you often see at this price point. A rubber slip mat rounds out the setup and helps keep records secure during playback. As for availability, the PS-LX3BT is expected to arrive in February, and you can already pre-order it from Sony Europe for €299 or £299, which works out to around $350 in the US. At that price, it's clearly positioned to compete with models like Audio-Technica's ATLP3XBTBK. The PS-LX5BT comes in a bit higher at €399 or £399, roughly $468, and it's scheduled to go on sale a little later in April. All in all, this feels like a very confident return for Sony. Whether you're just getting into vinyl or you want a modern turntable that doesn't complicate things, These new models look like they're designed to make spinning records easy, flexible, and genuinely enjoyable.